Greetings, welcome to CS120 Concepts of Computing. We're on week 4, activities. I'm going to go over a couple of things. First thing is the Google Parts practice quiz, which when you're done, you move on to the next couple of things. But let me explain kind of how they work. So for the practice, this key to that is the practice quiz, not the basic quiz. The practice quiz, you're going to go ahead, go to the link. There'll be another link in there, which you'll go through and you'll just go ahead and answer all the questions until you're done. Now you can do this as many times as you want. You can use Google. Again, this is a practice quiz. When you're done, you'll click view my results. You'll see something like this. Now it doesn't let you download or add your name like it used to, so you can see how put your name in the URL and then screenshot certificate. If you don't know how to screenshot, go ahead and Google that. And then probably the best way is it'll automatically copy it into your clipboard, and then you can paste it into Google Docs. So basically, as soon as you screenshot it, just open up Google Docs, paste it in there, and then share it. Again, make sure you share it correctly, and then you'll be able to upload a file if you saved it as a file, or if you put it into Google Docs, you can a URL to the Google Doc. When you're done with that, then you'll go ahead and move on to the basic reading project. Again, this is not a Google scavenger hunt. It wants you to go through all the material. So you'll click on the first one. It'll take you here. About, not much to this, just kind of explaining what's going on. But you are going to do the challenges, right? And most of them are questions, but some of them tell you to do something. So create an untitled document. So this is a tutorial. So in your CS120 folder, go into tutorials, new, Google Doc, create and share. And then it says call it computer basic notes, so I'm just going to copy that. I already did this, already put it in there. Paste, enter, enter, and then when you click up here, that will automatically name it for you. And then after the session, you'll answer the question. So next one, again, you kind of read through this. This information will be useful for the questions as well, so read through it. And then each one has like a 2 to 4 minute video. Watch the video. Again, do not copy this into anything, right? No, don't Google these questions, don't chat these questions. If I suspect that there's chat, again, I know their videos are 38 minutes long, right? So all the videos together are 38 minutes long. So if you finish the assignment in less than 38 minutes, that's going to be a dead giveaway, right? So if I even suspect that there's chat, I'm going to have you share it with me so I can view it. And again, if it doesn't add up, you're going to get a 0, right? So just take your time, go through, answer the questions. The videos are not long. This activity should not take you all that long, other than you gotta watch the videos and then answer the questions. So the easiest way to do that is to go ahead, copy those, paste them into here. Probably Control-Shift-V, that's probably better. So I just did the paste without formatting, Control-Shift-V, and then you can add spaces, and then just make sure it's obvious what your answer is. So when you go through that, and just keep going through slowly but surely. Read, watch the videos, answer the questions, pay attention to what it's asking about, read the questions carefully, and go through. When it says create a table, that's column headings, so those are the headings, and this is what you put under those headings. So again, make sure you're reading the directions, so you're doing the answer. You're not just typing in random stuff. Read the directions, watch the videos. When you're done with all that, you'll turn this in just like normal, share the link to the document in here. And then there's a quiz. You'll click on this link, it'll take you to the quiz. Now again, this quiz is actually different than this quiz. This link right here, is directly about these. This quiz is about everything we've gone over, right? But that is something you need to do as well. So you'll do the Google Parts practice quiz, the computer basic reading and assignment, which is all of these activities, including this quiz, all right? Including this quiz, because this quiz is based off of those videos. And then you'll take this quiz, and then we'll go over the build a computer next time. Thanks for watching.